All right, Dan, I thought it would be helpful for you to just give some examples of how long different types of cases typically take.
Okay.
So, your average traffic ticket, how long does that take to resolve?
1 to 2 months, ideally.
Okay. Is there anything that can make that longer or shorter?
A really difficult prosecutor and a client who's scared of trial.
Okay. What about your average family law case?
I'd put it at a year.
Okay. Is that for all family law, like divorce, modifications, all that stuff?
Yeah, the specific type of family law wouldn't change it too much. Now, individual circumstances of a case can either make it way faster. I mean, I've wrapped up cases in a month, or sometimes way longer. I've had them last longer than a year, which is just so miserable for the people that have that.
Yeah. What about a personal injury claim?
Again, it can vary so much. If you can get it resolved with the insurance company, I would put it at like 6 months. And really, how long the injured person is treating has such a big impact on that. But once I start doing my part, 3 to 6 months if you can get it done with the insurance company. If you have to file suit, a year or two on top of that.
Oh, on top of that? So it could take like 2 to 3 years?
Absolutely.
Okay. So what do you think the average, maybe like just civil lawsuit where two people are arguing over like a property boundary or something like that?
Money determines length. If you're fighting over a smaller amount of money, you might get it wrapped up in 6 months. If you're fighting over large sums of money, I mean, you're looking at years again.
Okay. All right, last one. What about for criminal charges? Like if you got charged with a DUI or you got charged with possession?
Depends upon the strength of the evidence against the accused. But for the average DUI, again, I'd ping it at 6 months is average. It can be faster, it can be longer.
Okay. All right, thanks.
Yep.